Welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be undervolting the GTX 1070. To do this we'll need three things: MSI Afterburner, a stress testing tool, and optionally 3D Mark. Links to all tools used in this video will be provided in the description. To begin, open up MSI Afterburner and go to the settings. In here you'll want to enable user-defined automatic fan control. This is the fan curve that I use. In the General tab, you want to enable analog voltage control, analog voltage monitoring, and force constant voltage. After enabling these settings, you want to go over and open your curve editor. From there, you'll want to open up your stress testing tool. I personally use MSI Kombustor. Now, begin your stress test and let it run for at least 5 minutes, and then look at your curve editor window. You should see a gray line in your curve editor window that ends at a specific dot. Each of these dots represent a specific voltage, and the y-axes of these dots represent a specific frequency, meaning that when the GPU core has that amount of voltage available, it'll run at the frequency that is indicated by the dot's y-axis. The goal of undervolting is to reduce the GPU core voltage whilst maintaining the same frequency. The gray line shows the current core voltage and frequency, and so to undervolt we must take the dot that is to the left of the one connected to the gray line and drag it up to the same exact Y level. After that, we must press L to lock in the voltage and then hit apply in MSI Afterburner. As you can see, our core voltage decreased slightly. I will now increase my fan speed to maximum so I can decrease the core temps. Seeing as how we haven't experienced any artifacting or crashing, we can repeat the process. You want to keep repeating this process until you experience any crashing or artifacting, which is when you'll want to turn down your undervolt. If you want to be more certain of the stability of your undervolt, you can run the artifact scanner in MSI Kombustor. I've already figured out my maximum undervolt, so here are some performance benchmarks. This is the score that I get with my undervolt. These Steel Nomad scores seem to be fairly inconsistent, so take these with a grain of salt. This is the score that I get whilst running at stock voltages. The difference in scores can mainly be explained by normal run-to-run variance. Here are a couple charts showcasing the difference between stock and undervolt. There is a fairly noticeable drop in temperatures going from stock to undervolt during a 10-minute stress test. Here you can see the average power usage during half an hour of Cyberpunk gameplay. The power consumption of these Pascal cards scales weirdly with the voltage, so we see a massive power consumption drop. Here you can see the Cyberpunk benchmark performance, which is nearly the same between stock and undervolted. Here you can see the temperatures during half an hour of Cyberpunk gameplay, and the undervolt has a massive temperature decrease compared to stock. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below.